Hi guys, welcome to TechLight Tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to delete a Facebook account permanently. Deleting a Facebook account is very easy. You can do it in 1 minute. So first of all, open the Facebook app and click on three lines and scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Then click on settings and click anywhere on this area and click on personal details and click account ownership and controls. Click deactivation or deletion. Then select Facebook. Then if you want to deactivate your account, so select this option. If you want to delete a Facebook account permanently, so select this option. I am going to delete Facebook account permanently, so I am selecting this. Then click on continue. Then select the reason why are you deleting a Facebook account. You can select any of these options. I am selecting I no longer find Facebook useful. Then click on continue. Click on again continue. Then here you can see more options showing. Scroll down and click on continue. Then enter your Facebook password. Then click on continue. If you want to bring back your Facebook account before 30 days, then log into Facebook and the account will open. After 30 days, it will be permanently deleted and can never be returned again. So click on delete account. And the account successfully deleted. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel so you will keep getting helpful videos in future also. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.